Gender-based violence is a cancerous practice that eats at the fabrics of social cohesion and progress of any society. The violence is particularly perpetrated against women and girls, and it includes inflicting physical, sexual, or psychological pains and sufferings on the persons of women and girls. Whether it occurs in public or private, gender-based violence induces considerable negative impact on the overall growth, development, and psychological stability of the victim. The 1997 Constitution of the Republic of the Gambia, together with acts of the National Assembly, such as the Women's Act of 2010, Domestic Violence Act 2013, and the Sexual Offences Act 2013, just to cite a few, are testimonies of our collective resolve to protect and advance the cause of women and girls. But despite all these efforts in terms of legislation, however, I must admit that more needs to be done in our implementation drive. I therefore challenge not only the government, but also the good conscience of every man and woman living in the Gambia and the world over to make it a non-negotiable responsibility to curb this uncouth practice in our society. We can only do so by reporting to the appropriate authorities any form of violence that is perpetrated against women and girls in our communities. The life and dignity of all persons, whether you're a man or a woman, a boy or a girl, is sacred, and we are all bound by law and nature to protect each other from abuse and violence. To survivors of violence in our homes and communities, you do not have to shoulder your problem alone. Do not suffer in silence. Do not live with gender-based violence. If you need any information and care, help is now available. Call 1313 for free.